In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Illustrator files in Figma. If you've ever found yourself puzzled about how to seamlessly merge your Illustrator creations into Figma, you're in the right place. This process, though involving just a few straightforward steps, can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing for easier collaboration and design continuity between these two platforms. So let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Figma's website. If you haven't already, take a moment to bookmark it. It's a huge time saver for frequent users. Once there, you'll see the Figma homepage. The next step is to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, go ahead and click that login button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials, take a deep breath, and let's move on. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to the Figma home interface. This is your central hub where all your ongoing projects and drafts can be accessed. From this screen, you'll see various files. Choose one by clicking on the file you'd like to work with. This is where your Illustrator file will eventually find its new home. With your file open, the next thing you'll need to do is head over to the Actions menu. Depending on how new you are to Figma, this might seem a bit tricky to locate at first. Just hover over the edge menus and you should see several options pop up, including our much needed Actions panel. Click on it when you find it. The seamless integration between different design tools like Illustrator and Figma lies behind this powerful button. Inside the Action search bar, type in Adobe Illustrator. You'll be amazed at how quickly Figma can connect the dots between these creative tools. Once it pops up in your search results, you're just a click away from unlocking its power. Click on Adobe Illustrator, and now we're at the final step. At this point, with all necessary panels open and your search completed, hit the Run button. This integral action will initiate the process of importing your Adobe Illustrator files into Figma. Watch as your beautiful Illustrator work is translated into Figma's interface, ready for you to continue designing, prototyping, and collaborating. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to bring your Illustrator files into Figma. With this smooth transition, you can take full advantage of Figma's collaborative features without missing out on the detailed graphics and work you've crafted in Illustrator. Keep practicing this process to further ingrain the step-by-step actions until they become second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this technique as beneficial in your design projects as I do.